All right, here we go. Cold brew coffee on a hotel overnight. See, I don't dig this out. Real simple. Just pour your coffee out of these little K-cups. Same thing for here. Pour your water in. Put the lid on, ish. Sometimes the lids don't fit. That's okay. And then just put plastic over the top so it's covered. So that's it overnight, and then I'll show you in the morning how to fix cold brew coffee. So the trick is you take these empty Keurig cups, push them into the Keurig itself. It pops a hole in the bottom. So you're basically using the Keurig cup as a filter. So there's one hole. All you need is one hole, pretty much. There you go. One hole. Now I'll take these and put them into the cup itself. I jam them down into the side to side like this. So now they're ready to go. That still has a little coffee in it. So now I just pour this stuff through it. You'll see it down the bottom. It starts running through. And that's it. I just keep pouring until it filters through. Let me turn it this way. So I'm basically using the Keurig as a cold brew coffee filter. And there you go, you get the benefit of it without having to get the high heat. And there's a link to the Harvard study showing coffee 1.5 to 3.5 cups a day is good for you. It's America's source of antioxidants. Pretty much, that's where we get most of ours from. I think anything over 4.5 cups, they said, is starting to get detrimental. So there is a point at which you get diminishing returns. Now I just add a little cream to this, pour it back into my cup here. Got a little grass-fed whole milk cream, or you can do almond milk, whatever you want to do on that. And you got cold brew coffee, easily done in the hotel room. I'll show another video showing the other way I do it. Pretty simple in a Swell bottle.